So in this video we will see what is pulse oximeter, how pulse oximeter works and how to use pulse oximeter in a correct way. Let us know what is pulse oximeter. Pulse oximetry measures the amount of oxygen being carried in your blood as a percentage. The measurement is taken at the finger using a pulse oximeter. Pulse oximetry is a test used to measure the oxygen level of the blood. It is an easy, painless measure of how well oxygen is being sent to parts of your body furthest from your heart. Let us see what are the readings a pulse oximeter provides. A pulse oximeter basically provides the oxygen saturation of the blood, which is denoted as a percentage of SpO2 in the display region. It also provides the pulse rate, which is denoted as a BPM per, as you can see in the diagram. So before going into how it works, let us understand what is oxygen saturation. All of we know that hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to various parts of our body. Now imagine these cars are the hemoglobin which is present in your blood, and the passengers, those who are sitting in these cars, are the oxygen molecules. So the way the cars carrying their passengers from one place to another place, in the same way the hemoglobin carries oxygen molecules from one part to another part of your body. So in this picture, no hemoglobin is carrying oxygen. So here the oxygen saturation is 0. Now look into this picture. Among 16 hemoglobins, only 8 hemoglobins are carrying oxygen. So here the oxygen saturation is 50%. Now if you look into this picture, out of 16 hemoglobins, all 16s are carrying oxygen. So here the oxygen saturation is 100%. Now when you put your finger into a pulse oximeter, it uses two kind of lights. One is red light, which is having a wavelength of 650 nanometer, and another is infrared light, which is having a wavelength of 950 nanometer. So now by measuring how much light reaches to the light detector, the pulse oximeter knows how much light has been absorbed by hemoglobin. It depends upon the concentration of the hemoglobin present in your blood. So your oxyhemoglobin and deoxyhemoglobin absorbs the red light and infrared light differently. So by using the concentration of light absorbing substance and length of the light path in absorbing substance, your pulse oximeter calculates the oxygen saturation. So let us see how to use a pulse oximeter. Step 1. Please clean your index finger properly and remove if you have any nail polish in your index finger. Step 2. Please rest for at least 5 minutes before taking the measurement. Step 3. Rest your hand at heart level before taking the measurement. Step 4. Place your index finger into the pulse oximeter. And step 5. Keep the pulse oximeter in place at least for a minute. Then step 6. Once it has not changed for 5 seconds, then you can read and take the reading.